needing work right face from Range rifle. This weapon isn't functioning properly. Send it back to the armory and perform the necessary repairs to make it functional again. This article needs to be cleaned up and brought up to gun wiki standards. Clipper rifle. The AA Clive rifle. The AA Clive rifle was a rifle produced during the era of the American Boys rifle, which lasted from the 1890s to the 1940s. The Clive itself was a rather unusual design in itself and was produced by Remington Arms for several years. History. Not much is known about Albert Clive. He was born in 1872, the son of a Remington factory worker, Mr. Stephen Clive of Ilion, New York. Albert attended local schools until about 1885, when he joined his father's department at Remington and became an expert barrel straightener, ultimately the foreman of that department. Albert Augustine Clive. Albert Augustine Clive. He was born in 1872, the son of a Remington factory worker, Mr. Stephen Clive of Ilion, New York. Albert attended local schools until about 1885, when he joined his father's department at Remington and became an expert barrel straightener and ultimately the foreman of that department. Albert Augustine Clive. Albert Augustine Clive, second from left. Clive had his design patented, receiving U.S. patent No. 9 to 1906 on October 19, 1897. During this period, it is thought that Clive worked out a deal with his employer, the Remington Arms Company, for his rifle to be manufactured in their factory. The Clive rifle was produced at Remington Arms factory due to the fact that Clive worked at Remington and successfully negotiated a contract to produce the design. The rifle was produced at the Remington factory, but was never sold by Remington Arms or a rifle to be manufactured. Catalogs for appeared in their catalogs. From 1900, Sears and Roebuck Company offered the Clive rifle for 1 year, although it appeared in their 1899 and 1900 catalog. Information courtesy of great volunteers at the Sears Archive. To produce the design, the rifle was produced at the Remington factory. At the Remington factory, but was never sold by Remington Arms or appeared in their catalog. From 1900, Sears and Roebuck Company offered the Clive rifle for 1 year, for their 1899 and 1900 catalog. Due to door sales, production of the Clive rifle was stopped in early 1901, leaving Clive to continue working for Remington until 1950. After which he moved to Hartford, Connecticut, and worked bravely for Colt before he became ill, returning to Ilion shortly before his death of Bright's disease.